until some type of change. Even here's the thing, I be trying to tell fellas, just because the laws ain't.
Yeah. Let me share this shit. This shit crazy. Man, boy, I just be coming straight in. Let's see. Oh, yeah, that's right. Awesome. Yo, this is some bullshit. We gotta do something, man. So, hey, it's where it starts, though. Feel me? This is where it starts. So, and that's how we gonna, hopefully get it out there and raise awareness. And then call it Awareness Month. Like child support want to do. You feel me? Child support want a motherfucking awareness month, and I ain't really trying to make it awareness month. What the fuck? We gotta stop this. The fuck? You feel me? And we're gonna make this a more awareness month because this ain't gonna kill nobody. We want motherfucking save lives and save people. We need to make motherfucking defund child support a motherfucking national awareness month. We need to make that a motherfucking national awareness month. Cause this shit right here, Title 4D judge, get the fuck out of here, man. You ain't a real judge. That ain't a real judge, bro. So, and this is proven. This is proven a lot. People just need to record or record inside a place that don't allow phones or don't allow cell phones inside. I mean, they don't allow cell phones inside. They gotta be some snake ass shit. It gotta be some sneaky ass shit going on. I just want to say that off the wax. It gotta be to a man, to a grown man that gotta pay money to a system that motherfucking just take it out of your ass without motherfucking you even having no signature. Come on, man. Let's find out if these motherfuckers will hold their ground or motherfucking say, all right, we fucked up. Let's fix it. You feel me? We need that decision. It's coming to the end of the road on that motherfucker. You're going to go left or right, bitch. You feel me? The fuck? This shit don't make no motherfucking sense. While motherfuckers want to use a fake judge to judge or see if you good enough to be a father or make a payment or bro. They do this shit. I don't know. They doing this shit illegally. I'm gonna say that they doing this shit illegally. It is illegal. They should not be doing this shit. Shit, paying taxes is already illegal. Motherfucker, you think child support should be? You think child support is legal? You think child support should be legal? The fuck? This is a joke. This is a game. I don't give a fuck if a president signs some bullshit trying to put it on all men. It ain't all men. The fuck? Period. Ain't no all men is not deadbeats when they go on child support. The fuck? Not half of these motherfuckers out here that pay child support get to see their fucking kid because they paying child support. It is what it is. The fuck? Look at this shit, man. This shit pissed me the fuck off. This shit pissed me the fuck off, man. Like, come on, y'all ass got me fucked up. You gon' This is why we need fucking cameras or phones and recordings of the conversations. We need recordings of the conversations we having with these motherfucking Title 4Ds or Title 4 motherfucking judges. They will act right if we probably would get a lot more judges to act the fuck right if we recorded their ass during the court. And we had access to the fucking videos of the court. You feel me? If citizens have access to the recordings of the motherfucking recordings of judges making judges, because we got the right to fucking judge the judge, because we are the people who are paying taxes to the judge. How do the judge get paid? Tax paying dollars. The fuck? Come on, bro. So they trying to scare motherfuckers. It's weird, but this is what they don't want you to know. But I'm gonna just say this shit. Show this shit. This is Title 4D, bitch. Like when you question motherfucker about Title 4D, shit. Oh, they switch up. I mean, like, come on, bro. You gotta watch it. Just watch.
Because do you guys receive your funding from Title IV funding from the government? It's a Title IV program, because if it is,
depends.
Either it is or it isn't.
Well, each case is different. Not every case
I'm
is.
talking about Child Support Enforcement Agency.
Okay.
Is it a Title IV
Would you like a
agency?
copy of your order?
I'm asking you a question. If you refuse to answer that question, that's fine by me. You don't have IO.
Okay, the fact that this bitch question him back with a question, you gonna question the person you're dealing with that you're gonna have to get money out of. You feel me? You're gonna have to get money out of this man. But hold on, it got dark. You're gonna get money out of this man, and you're questioning him with a question that he's asking you a question for. Like he asking you a question, you're supposed to answer it, bitch. You're getting money out of this man. You're getting money. It's for child support. He just questioning you. That's all it is. He got the right to do that. I believe so. The fuck.
Because do you guys receive your funding from Title IV funding from the government?
And do they receive their funding from? I mean, he just asking because they, the state just don't pay you. Where the money come from? The state. Where the money come from? You feel me? There's nobody just paying these motherfuckers besides people that's working. You're working, bro. Your state tax, federal tax. This is what this is. This is what the fuck this should go to. And I don't see why you can't question where your money go. You feel me? Why can't you question where your money is going?
Government? Is this a Title IV program? Because if it is, if it either it is or it isn't.
And that's some snake ass shit too. When she say depends, bitch. What you mean depend, bitch? You need to tell me where the fuck this money going. Are you paying? How you getting paid, bitch? Are you getting paid to fuck me over, or are you getting paid to help me to fuck out? Period. Who you getting paid by? And you should be able the right to say that. Like, you think he about to go in your pockets? Shit, look, man, if he going over your ass, just now if he went over you, got your supervisor, bitch, and just told them that you said it depends. I can't ask you a question because I'm paying my money to assist them. I don't know. Niggas is working, and they don't work. They go to jail over this shit. So we gotta question shit. Period.
Well, each case is different. Not every case
I'm
is.
talking about Child Support Enforcement Agency.
Okay.
Is it a Title IV
Would you like a
agency?
copy of your order?
Is it a Title IV agency? Let's Google that real quick. I want to Google that real quick. I'm gonna come back to the video. I gotta hear what he said again. It's Title IV.
I'm asking you. I'm talking about Child Support Enforcement Agency. Okay. Is it a Title IV
agency? Would you like a copy of your order?
It's Child Support Enforcement Agency, Title IV. Is Title IV agency a fuck? Oh.
Here's the definition of agency. A business or organization established to provide a particular service, typically one that involves organizing transactions between two other parties.
Okay.
Each case is different. Not every case
I'm talking about Child Support Enforcement Agency.
Okay.
Is it
Child Support Enforcement Agency. Is it a Title IV? Okay. Child Support Agency. Is it a Title IV-D? You're not gonna read that to me? You're not gonna read that to me? Okay, you're just not gonna read it to me now? You read the last one, bitch. The fuck? Okay, alright, that's petty. But Title IV, family assistance restraint payment under child support enforcement. So it is under Title IV. Okay, so that's what he asked him. Is it under Title IV? I don't think she probably knows the answer then.
the Title IV
Would you like a
agency?
copy of your order?
I'm asking you a question. If you refuse to answer that question, that's fine by me. You don't have to answer.
I'm not sure what it has anything to do.
It has a lot to do with
Okay,
it
again,
because
now I am not
you don't
trying
have
to
to yell
answer
at me.
you,
You don't have
but
to
you're
yell
not
at me.
even letting me talk,
You
Mr.
haven't let me
Agent.
say anything. And
You
this whole
just asked me
conversation
a
is being
question.
recorded.
You just
So,
asked me. Okay,
I asked you a
we're
question
gonna
about
go
why
tell
don't you
them you're having. Can I have your phone in?
Why? You haven't let me say anything. And this whole
To do.
it has a lot to do with
Okay,
it because
again, now I am not
you don't
trying
have
to
to yell
answer
at me.
you,
You don't have
but
to
you're
yell
not
at me.
even letting me
I'm not trying to.
talk. What it
You
has
ain't trying to let
anything
me
to do.
It has a lot to do with it because
Motherfucker, you not ain't trying to let me talk. What the fuck? I thought that started out with her. Him just. What do you mean he just asked her a question? What do you mean not trying to let her talk? Oh my god, the fuck is happening?
Title
Would
4
you like a
agency.
copy of your order?
I'm asking you a question. If you
Oh my, hold the fuck up.
do you guys receive your funding from Title 4 funding from the government?
She's quiet.
Is this a Title 4 program?
Listening.
Because if it
Depends.
is,
Depends.
if it either is or it isn't.
Well, each case is different. Not every case
I'm talking about
is.
Child Support Enforcement Agency. Is it a Title 4
Would you like a
agency?
copy?
She literally was talking back and then she tried to get the fuck up and leave. Then she tried playing victim. You're not letting me talk. Damn, bitch, what the fuck?
Copy of your order?
I'm asking you a question. If you refuse to answer that question, that's fine by me.
Listening.
You don't have to answer.
I'm not sure what it has anything to do.
It has a lot to do with
Okay,
it because
again, now I am not
you don't
trying
have
to
to yell
answer
at me.
you,
You don't
but
have to
you're
yell
not
at
even
me.
letting me talk,
You
Mr.
have-
That bitch stupid. What the fuck? Hold the fuck up. You're not letting me talk. Bitch, you had your pause and you listen. Then he fucking, it was going back and forth. And then you just went to, bro. I think it's because he's black. I ain't gonna lie.
I haven't let you say anything. And this whole conversation is being recorded.
You just
So,
asked me. Okay,
I asked you a question.
We're
Why
gonna
don't
go tell
you
them you're having. Can I have your phone in?
Why can't I? Why not? I'm recording the conference. What are you talking about? Because I'm not gonna
I'm
let
not
you yell
gonna
at me
have
and tell
that.
me, yo, you don't get to yell at me. And no, you don't get to do that. You don't get to yell at me, and it's all recorded. You don't get to yell at me. Period. But I asked you a question. If you don't want to answer, just say on camera you don't want to answer it. It's plain and simple. But the moment I ask a question, you want to start yelling at me and walk out because you're on camera? What? Like I said, if you don't, well then.
I'm gonna look where the fucking funding comes from Title 4D. Okay. Let's look it up. Child Support Agency is who funds Title 4D judges? I did not say DJ, bitch. I did not just say DJ. The fuck? This motherfucker retarded. Who funds Title 4D judges?
According to Self-Represented Litigation Network, many state court systems and individual courts take advantage of federal funding under Title IVD of the Social Security Act to obtain reimbursement for the costs of adjudicating child support and paternity matters when hearings are handled by persons other than judges under state law.
Wow. Wow. So okay. Whew. Nah, I don't know where it's saying that comes from, but oh, federal. Okay, it comes from federal, I guess. It's federal funding. It's federal funding, huh? Who pays the federal? Who pays federal in taxes? We do.
Then, hey, no, you can't take me to jail. They can't take me to jail. I'm protecting my right to not be yelled at and disrespected by her. I have a right to do that. Well, it's on tape, so we'll let the police decide whether you're violating my rights or not. All I did was ask the question.
Are you done?
No, she still hasn't answered my question. She started yelling at me and being combative, so I immediately turned my phone on because I have a right to do that. This is a public place. I have a right to.
You're not supposed to have your cell phone on in here.
Okay, I didn't know that. When I asked her a question, what I'm saying is that. So what you're telling me is that
They don't want your cell phones in there. Why? You gotta understand. It's some courthouses that will let people like walk in with cell phones. There's some courthouses that just let people bring their cell phone in and they can record it. I don't know. You feel me? I don't know. It's like times is fucking changing. This court system need to be recorded on any standard now. If the streets can be recorded, I mean, brought into court for evidence, judges should be judged. Like judges need to be judged. Like I ain't gonna lie, man. Y'all getting paid taxpaying dollars, federal funding. Y'all know y'all asses getting a piece of the pie, and y'all know damn well y'all were judging, making wrong judges on a lot of things. I don't know. We can't keep getting credit to judges that motherfucker make wrong decisions and shit.
That I have no right to protect my rights when I'm being verbally abused by somebody. And the only question I asked her was, is this a Title IV program? Then she immediately got upset. She didn't want to talk anymore. She started yelling at me. So I turned my phone on, which I have a right to do. Because that's what I'm asking you. Why do I not have a right to do that?
You do not have a right to bring a cell phone into this area and have it on.
Damn. A police officer says that. You don't have a right to have it in here. Damn, so you just become automatically a motherfucker that don't have no rights when you go into places that, you know, the fuck? That don't allow something? That's crazy. Your rights don't exist? Damn, this nigga wildin'. Like, niggas, this is why we need to learn our rights. This is why we need to fucking learn our shit, bro, because this shit dangerous. Like, what you mean, bitch? What you mean? This is a cop. This is a fat-ass, fuck-ass police officer over saying some fuck shit right now. And you really saying this shit to a motherfucker that's black, too. So, you doing this to the motherfucking... Man, you're doing this to the fucking worst way ever. Like, you doing this, man, I don't even know how to explain it. But this is weird. It's fucked up. Trash ass cop. Trash ass rights. I don't understand. I never heard of motherfucking police saying that your rights don't exist going inside a place that don't allow you having something there. I ain't never heard that shit. Fucked up, man. It's fucked up.
Why not? Okay.
There's signs all over this place.
Signs all over. No cell phone.
So then how do I protect myself as a citizen? Right? I'm just asking a question here. As a citizen, how do I protect myself? And I'm asking the sheriff because you guys should be...
We have these
guys
things recorded, but they don't have sound.
Okay.
We have this place. Okay, but they don't have sound. Then what the fuck are they there for real? Bitch, you need sound. So, quit. They be trying to... Man... They gotta understand, man. They got cameras in places that don't allow sound, but they motherfucking recording everything. If you're doing it for safety purposes, I understand. But we need sound. You feel me? We need sound everywhere. Like, just saying that. We don't need you telling me that you got something here, but that it don't have the other half to help me out. If I need help, the fuck? And what someone said, like, come on, man. It's fucking weird. This shit crazy.
Hey, so
I understand.
I do understand what you're saying. So
put your phone away.
If I want to get that from off this film,
Listen. Put the phone away, please.
so my rights
I'm
will be
saying,
violated
please.
further.
Listen.
Can we take this conversation
You're not
outside in a
supposed to
public
be-
place?
You
Well,
can take
then we can go outside and have this
Yeah,
conversation. But I'm not going to turn my phone off because I have a right to have it on. Period. Point blank. And if you're well, then we can take the conversation outside where I do have a right to have it on.
The 30 trips these motherfuckers be having is something serious. Like, motherfuckers be having authority trips. Like, nigga, you think you really got to get over on a motherfucker because they got a right to have something? You just trying to escalate that. That's what the cops do. They try to escalate the situation inside something that already have a rule in place. He literally has another rule to back his rule up. So that's why I like how he did this. Like, he really motherfucking was smart. He left the motherfucking building. He left the building because he saw there was he saw the other level. The cop said some motherfucker. He said, I like his third eye vision on that. Because what he said, motherfucking, he noticed. He noticed that motherfucking, he noticed that it was another fucking, rule backing his rule up. You gotta have something to back your shit up. And he saw that. He has something to back his shit up. Go outside, bitch. You ain't got no fucking right. You ain't got no motherfucking right outside to tell me I can't record. Went outside. It's another rule over a motherfucker. He cannot have that break it down. He'll break his rule down. so he can't blame on this. He can't back it up. So I like that.
Understand your point, but I have rights too.
Yeah.
So we can go right out here, then maybe then you can explain it to me. But outside of that, then hey. Now my question is,
Listen,
listen,
don't let me finish.
Bro, he took the conversation outside as a gentleman. He brought it up to go outside. This is some slave shit right here, dead ass. Like, I ain't gonna lie. The man that brought them the issue to where they at right now, the person that is calm, pretty much, not hostile, is being forced to listen. When you're not even questioning the motherfucker. Why is he listening when he motherfucking literally just said what his issue is? Like, you don't tell a motherfucker to listen, dude. Like, this is where shit get hostile too. Cause then it's the authority trip. Motherfucker, you on a whole authority trip right now. I just couldn't do this, man, cause this motherfucker, this right here, where it's just like, whoa, motherfucker, we mean listen. I told you let's come outside. Fuck. Don't tell me to listen. Like, I would have been, bruh. I can't. These motherfuckers want to motherfucking get your ass hostile for some reason. Because they think that you were a child or something. I don't know. They try to treat niggas like childs when they work for us and they get paid money out of our taxes. Like, come on, quit playing with us, bro. You're acting like a slave master when you're not. Like, we gotta do the work. Bitch, you just getting paid protecting me. Like, damn.
I'm not trying to be combative. I'm not trying to do any of that.
Finish the sentence.
Here's the thing.
Damn, this fucking finger. I would just smack, bitch. Get that motherfucking finger out of my motherfucking face. The fuck? The fuck you? This is some. You're a motherfucking slave. You need to motherfucking listen to me because you're a motherfucker. Bruh. Fuck you. Get the fuck out of my motherfucking face. The finger, bitch. You don't need none of that. You don't need none of that. You talk to me like a fucking man, you fat bitch. You a fat ass motherfucker. You need to fucking listen to motherfucking me. Cause I'm the one with the issue, bitch. Period. I ain't the one that called you ain't even fucking here no more. I brung you out here because they called you. The fuck? They literally try to take you away from where you just got escalate the issue at. Won't even back you up after you are common from the issue, or you common for the issue. They won't even give you another person or something. Like, they won't even help you after you just obviously had issue right here. I don't know. They wouldn't even help a nigga after this.
I'm a taxpayer, am I not?
So am I.
Okay, you're right. So that means that you help pay for her salary, she help pays for your salary.
They got each other back.
I help pay for you guys' salary.
And we just the third wheel that just paid them both. You know what I mean? So that's why this guy is. We're the third wheel that paid these niggas salary, but they also pay each other salary, which is okay. What the fuck? If that's how y'all work, y'all getting played by the fucking state and federal too. Then fuck. But another thing, okay, you're supposed to be a servant. You're supposed to be a public servant, protecting servant, and all that kind of shit. What kind of deal with what? Why would you even say that as a cop? Like, you giving yourself away on some undercover deals you probably doing or some shit. I don't know. You probably doing some undercover shit, I feel. But we're not here for that.
You guys are public servants, which means if I ask the question and it's my taxpayer dollars that pay your salary, I don't need to be told what I can and cannot do. And if I comply, which I did, I complied, right? Came right outside where I can have my phone on.
Yep.
I have committed no crime. I have done nothing illegal. Right, so
I didn't say you committed a crime. But
he said listen, though. He was telling him to listen when he came outside, but you acting like he committed a crime for a minute with that. Listen. But you was going to escalate the issue to become a crime because you're going to say some fuck shit just about coming out there with the listen, bro. Like, come on with the finger too. Like, boy, come on, man. He was looking for issue at first until he showed them. So the black man showed them that he wasn't a dumbass. He wasn't a dummy. He ain't no dumbass motherfucker. He know his shit. He told them that he de-escalated the issue pretty much. And motherfucking he had control because he brought it outside. and was comply. He complied with the shit. They don't like when niggas say that. You feel me? They don't like when niggas say they complied. Like, I complied, nigga, I complied. They don't like that. They wanted you to be aggressive. Trust me.
But if I lawfully tell you to turn the phone off and you keep
Wait,
it
stop.
on,
Lawfully tell me.
Yes.
What law says
there's
I
no
can
cell
have?
phone usage in that room.
So this, okay, what I'm saying is, what law did I violate?
You walked into a business.
Okay. So this is not okay. Now we're getting somewhere.
Oh, he's in a business. So if it's a business, oh my God. If it's a business though. Ooh, if it's a business, then who's paying them for their service? I want to know. But goddamn. Man. Who paying these motherfuckers? Hello? Alright, I'm back, man. I don't know how to take this phone call. Oh, man. Let me share this shit again. Alright. Where am I at? Oh, yeah. Ah, fuck it. I'll just get off. It's fucking my vibe. Well, yeah, just skip through that. Skip through that. But, now we're here. Alright. Yeah. Back to the video.
Now that's the question that I asked from the beginning. If this is a business and this operates as a business, then I have a right to know what contract I signed to get in business.
It's a business as a government entity.
But you say business. You didn't. I get that.
Have you turned your phone off?
I get. No, we're outside.
Business as a government entity. What the fuck? I'm Googling that now. Like, this it's come from a cop's mouth, man. This is coming from a cop's mouth. What did he say? I gotta remember what the fuck he said again. A government entity.
It's a business as a government entity.
But you say
Business as a government entity. Oh my God. What is a business as a government entity?
According to Wikipedia, a government-owned corporation is a legal entity that undertakes commercial activities on behalf of an owner government. Their legal status varies from being a part of government to stock companies with a state as a regular stockholder.
God damn. That's crazy, right? That's crazy. Government entities, I guess.
business.
I can see that.
I get that. I get. No, we're outside. Okay. So now you're telling me that I have to turn my phone off.
This is why you need to read talk. This is why I like people recording, because like you can search what the fuck this cop talking about and see if there's actually something, because the motherfucker really sells like that, and we really don't be knowing shit like that. I mean, I can see it being a government business, but you know, that shouldn't like violate my right as a person too, 'cause I'm paying the government. So I don't understand why, he can think that can override a person that was born here, a person that didn't actually be born here, a person that motherfucker didn't actually be under a system either, a person that didn't ask to be a part of the government or under the government, like, or having service to be involved to have and with the government. Like, we don't ask for our service to be with the government. We are forced to be with our service with the government because of Social Security and all that other shit. So this is weird.
So which one is it? Am I not allowed to have a phone? You understand the problem that I'm having here? Because you told me I couldn't have it on inside,
You can't
right?
have it on inside.
Right now we're outside and you're still asking me if I have my phone. Yes, absolutely. You know why? Because police kill people. We have to know that that's a problem,
if
right?
you want to continue with this round of
I'm not gonna
questions-
trick this. I'm not.
No, you're accusing me of killing
I'm
people.
not gonna. No, I said police.
Not a cop playing victim. God damn, where do you get this bitch mentality to play victim all the time, man? Nigga, he said cops. You're not cops. You're a cop. The fuck? Let's get the grammar right and not react to shit that don't involve you.
You have police not kill people?
And people have killed people.
I get that.
The counters be just repeating what the niggas say, but a different way. Like,
Okay.
dead ass.
And the ratio of police officers killing people is a way lower.
But the
than
ratio
Oh,
of police.
this nigga is lower. Yeah, it's lower now, but just 2 years before this, it was high as fuck. Dead ass. And who was president? Obama. 2015, Obama was fucking president. And that's why he's saying it's low now. He gotta be. I'm agreeing with him with that one. But it's all because it's probably the president now. That's all. I'm just saying that.
To people right now are 3 plus them in there to 1.
Are you doing your business in there? Is what I want to know.
Yeah. I still have a question that she refuses to answer.
Well, ask for her supervisor. Maybe they can help.
She started being verbally combative. We never got to that point. She walked out of the door.
Ask for her
That's my
supervisor.
point.
If you're not done doing your business when you go back in there, ask to speak to the supervisor. Maybe
No
they
problem.
can help.
Nope.
Okay?
Now,
You won't be able to have that on. That's all they ask.
okay, now, my question is, what law, so that way I know, what law am I breaking by having my cell phone on? Because if you're telling me I have to turn my cell phone off, period?
Those are their rules.
I know, I'm
That's
just
not
saying.
my rule.
Okay, so that's
their
okay. Their
That's
rule.
their
That's
rule.
their rules. Not
Your
our
rule. No cell phone
Now.
usage in that area.
A rule.
In what area? The whole building?
So if you kind of break a rule inside this kind of shit, do you go to jail or do you get kicked out? That's all I want to know. Do you go to jail because you had something inside something where it wasn't supposed to be and you just broke a rule and it wasn't like, it wasn't harming, it ain't cause harm to nobody, ain't kill nobody, ain't hurt nobody. So if you broke a rule like that, do you go to jail for it? I don't think so.
The area there.
Don't you walk past those doors?
It's right there on the desk.
It says no cell phone
There's a
usage.
sign there. That's a big crosser, like the Ghostbuster sign with a cross.
Okay.
Cell phone.
When I used to really think of cell phone, like no cell phone uses, they literally tell you don't be on the phone during the shit. Don't be on the phone. Don't be on the phone. You can't be on the phone. You can't be on the phone like talking on the phone or I don't know. I'm pretty sure you can send a text, man. Like it's easy. You're not talking. If you're recording, they don't know unless you show them unless they notice it. So if she didn't notice it, then what? What would have happened? You feel me? Because she ain't noticed until he showed her. Like, I'm just be honest. So they got to twisted with these rules. You feel me? It's like, damn, y'all trying to become an enforcer for nothing, and bitch, y'all don't even hold guns yourself. The fuck, gotta call the police to back you up, like security guards.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now, so if I need to get that camera of her verbally abusing me, how do I do that?
Public record request.
What? After this nigga already said it ain't no sound on that shit. Public records request? Let me Google that. Let me Google that now. Public records request.
According to Illinois.gov, request for information in public records. You may use Form FOIA 1, Freedom of Information Act request, to request information or provide your own document containing the same information. The FOIA request will ask if this request is for commercial purposes.
I don't know about this shit. Wow. So this is just asking. I don't think this is asking for recordings. Damn. See, I literally sit here and think and look it over and let it dissect in my brain. So like, that's what I do. It should dissect my brain because I'm eating the information up. So I gotta let it dissect. You feel me? Damn. This is I don't know what to say to this shit. Request information though, like damn. So this is how you just request information. You're not requesting a video. You're not requesting. How do you get that? Like you talking about information. You just said there wasn't no fucking sound on the recordings. Like what the fuck? They be giving niggas a runaround, man. I don't think you really can ask for public records on public requests on records and shit like that, or videos that don't have sound. Like that would be pointless because he wouldn't. And then if he did get that, would it be a camera in the room like his phone? Like I don't think it would have been a camera in the room with his phone. His phone was a way better camera than the one y'all probably got. I'm pretty sure. But on that note, fuck these motherfucking court systems. Fuck these motherfucking family courts. Fuck them all. Fuck them. Because they all on bullshit. And they use police to back them up as security guards or whatever when you're in the right for some shit, I guess. Like, they don't want to, when a motherfucker obviously working under they fucking shit should know they fucking shit and know, give you the answers to your questions, all of them, period, whatever question you ask, because you're paying them. That's when the motherfucking, this shit gonna change. Because I don't understand why the fuck they got people there that don't know information to give answers to shit he's asking. Like he should have answers to the shit he's asking. Period. Fuck, and you should answer that because you're government. You're a government servant. Yeah, this is a government job, bitch. You're a government servant, and that's how you get paid. And on that note, man, about this bitch, you know what it is. 6-Way Uncut / exposing this court terrorist ass shit. We gonna do this, man. Fuck them. Fuck. This is our motherfucking world. It's our life. We live our life. How we live our life, man. Even if we gotta talk our shit, cause apparently we all ain't getting treated right. We all ain't getting treated fairly. We all know that this system is being gender biased as fuck. Yeah, gender biased as fuck. And this is proven facts that if a woman would have went in that motherfucker asking questions, they would have gave that bitch all of it. They would have gave that bitch all the answers. Dead ass. If she was gonna be receiving money, they would have gave that bitch all the answers she needed. All the motherfucking, like, she would have answered all the questions she needed to get paid for the shit. Like, you think that a woman asking for money or there for child support would get this much fucking problems out of someone? Just wanted to know something, you feel me, information about some shit. No, I don't think a woman would get, this much trouble. But hey, this is what it is. And on that note, I'm out of here, man. I'll check with y'all later. I just did, 6-Way Uncut. Yeah.